What is up, everyone? I just wanted to make this video to show you how you can find some Facebook ads that work and how you can spy on your competitors, see what's working, make ads similar to theirs with your own twist so you can start getting results for your own business. So you're on Facebook, and one of the things you can do is you can just start typing in businesses, but this is a very slow way to do things. We can just type in your area like this. So I'm in a place called Limerick, Ireland. So what I do is I come in the niche I'm looking for, the niche that I work in. I can type in carpet cleaning, Limerick, and I can just start moving down here, and you might start seeing a few pages. So these are the ones you want to go to, or else you can come down here, go to pages, and we can start checking out some businesses. And I'll go to this guy because I think I know he's running ads. So we go to Extreme Carpet Clean, and if we run down to the page transparency section, so here we go, this section here, you come in here, page transparency, see all, and it's not saying that he's running ads, even though I thought he did. Actually, here we just go down, so it's saying he is currently running ads. So we just have this slider here, you go down, you go to ad library, and then we're going to get a look at his ads that he's going to be running. So here we go. So we know that these ads are successful. So if you want to know how they're successful, the date today is 20th of September. These ads have been running since May. He's one ad running since May 13th and the other running since June 17th. And how you know these are successful is because people aren't going to run ads that aren't making them money. But if people have an ad up a long time, then it's definitely making them money. So that's what you need to check out. You need to check out the dates. If someone had a brand new ad up today and the date was the same as today, which is 20th of September, I'd look at that ad. I wouldn't necessarily think it's going well because it's brand new. But if the dates are old, they're a few weeks old or a few months old, he's this one running since last year. So I'm assuming that this is a retargeting ad that he has. When someone clicks onto his website, he retargets them with this, but it still must be working well for him if he didn't turn it off. So we can just get a look at his ad. So video does work quite well, and you can just see what he's doing here. It's only 48 seconds long, but we can see what he done, and we can just get a look at the ad. As you can see, that's all he said. Some upholstery cleaning we did today, and he has his number. That's it. Some people might say that's not a good ad, but it must be working for him if that's what he done. And then next, if we get out of this, I'll show you another way that we can start looking at ads. You just go to Google, you type in ad library, and you go to the Facebook ad library section, and this just gives you all of the ads that are running in the world right now. You come down here, I'm in Ireland, so it's going to show up Ireland for me. So I'm just going to type in United States, and I'm going to choose a category again. I'm just going to type in all ads, and I'm just going to type in carpet cleaning again, and we see what shows up. And again, it's going to show all the carpet cleaning ads running. As you can see, they're all video, people cleaning carpets. You can see their text. You can see how long they're running. And again, if you see an old ad, they're the ones that you need to be looking at, trying to emulate for your own business. I wouldn't say copy them exactly, but make a video, your own video, make your own offer, run people to your page or else a messenger, and you can actually see everything. So if I click on book now, we'll see where it brings me. So this isn't shown for me, but that must bring me to a messenger that he has, a messenger bot, and you fill out a message and enter in your details. So these are ways that you can find ads for your business. Don't ever say you don't know what you're doing, because it's very easy. It's not that hard. All you have to do is just set up your location for your ads. So that's the area you work in. I see a lot of people making ads, and they'll run ads they'll be in the US, and they'll make their ads run worldwide. They won't choose a location. So what you need to do is just choose your location, the area you work in, and the age and people's interests, and just come along here, get a few ads up and going. There's loads around. You have all this information of the ad library, and just make some ads for your business, run them, and see what happens. So that's it. Any questions, just let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them.